So we learned about Mukhda in the last episode. So here the words of the Mukhda are Tuma bina chain, and the sum or the first beat is on the word chain. So in each cycle he will just repeat the Mukhda and then let go. The rest of the cycle is then for the elaboration. The idea is to sing the Mukhda in every cycle and then catch the sum, then explore the rag in the rest of the cycle, and then this process repeats in every cycle. So now let's talk about the exploration or elaboration or the rag vistar. It starts with a slow and meditative ala. Usually the singer sings in 3 octaves. The middle part where most of the singing is done is called the Madhya Saptak. Lower than that is the Mandra Saptak, and higher than that is the Tar Saptak. So Alapi usually starts in the Madhya and Mandra Saptak and then gradually goes towards the Tara Saptak. Now, this in this slow alapi, singer is showing you the beauty of various notes and the swara lagav, which is a way they are sung or their pronunciation in that particular rag. And it's all they are also showing you the beauty of the combinations of various notes or swars. The singer may use the words of the bandish in the alapi as well, and that is called bol alap. An appropriate use of words enhances the beauty and the meaning. In Bol Alap, the melodic phrases are connected to the lyrical content or the word, and that helps with the expression of emotions and makes the rag a little less abstract. So instead of just singing in akar, use of bowls help bring meaning to this abstract melodic exploration. Here I'm going to have you listen to Bihag by my Guruji again. So see how the swars with words bring out the emotions? There's a lot more to discuss about the aesthetics of this, but that's for some other time. So in this exploration, as this exploration moves to Tara Saptak, usually the singer reaches the Tarasa and starts the Antra or the second half of the Bada Khayal. Let's listen again. So see how the switch is made to the Antra from the Tara Saptak. The Tarasa is established and then more exploration is done in Tara Saptak with the bowls of Antra if the singer wishes to do that. And then he returns to the Asthai. Now here the speed of the Tal is increased a little bit and the listeners ready themselves for more drama to unfold. How? Let's find out in the next segment. Stay tuned.